So, alright, guys, in this today's video, we'll be looking into some interview question related to explicit typecasting. So, you can just take a screenshot of these questions for future reference, guys. Okay. So, let's start the question. So, what is explicit typecasting? And next, we'll be trying to understand its working mechanism. And next, what is meant by loss of data, reason for data loss, and we'll be looking into its disadvantages and advantages of explicit and implicit typecasting. Next will be regarding its difference between these two, and next we'll be discussing about some examples related to implicit and explicit. So now we'll be having a conceptual explanation of all these questions, so please follow up, guys.
Implicit conversion means larger data type is converted into smaller data type. In this one, compiler is doing this implicit conversion, compiler automatically performing. Whereas explicit conversion, compiler will not perform anything here. Compiler will not perform anything. So if I take similar example, now I am storing 45.0 here. Okay, variable a I am storing. Now I have byte a is a I defined. Now I want to assign a is equals to var. Now guys, now here I have 8 bytes, right? Now what I have? 1 byte, correct, right? So here I have 45.0. Now here I have just variable. Guys, able to understand?
Yeah.
So now this is how much data here? 8 bytes data. This is how much?
1 byte of data.
1 byte. So what I'm trying is I am trying this 8 byte of data to put in 1 byte. Will it fit?
No.
No. I'm trying to store 8 bytes of this data in 1 byte. Will it fit or will it not fit? Not fit. Okay, let me check. Let me check some. I'm checking and compiling. Boom, I'm getting error. Possibly loss of conversion from double to byte. Why, guys? Because as you are storing 8 bytes in 1 byte, it means you can store only 1 byte. What about remaining 7 bytes, guys? It will be lost only, right? Correct, right? Yeah. So at that time, what? Yeah. Anyone, any doubt? No. So when you will store this data into this A in 1 byte, here we have 8 bytes, so I am unable to fit in this one. So if I have how many bytes here, so I can store in this one. Guys, here I am having 8 bytes, so I am unable to fit in this one. So if I have how many bytes here, so that I can able to fit in this one.
1 byte.
1 byte.
1 byte means how this I should reduce, right? This size to how many bytes? 1 byte.
1
So
byte.
if I reduce this size to 1 byte, so that I can able to fit in this one, right? Correct, right?
Yeah.
So 1 byte, so it is able to fit. Because previously we have 8 bytes, so 8 bytes cannot fit in this one. So that time loss of precision or lot of data. So if I reduce this 8 bytes into 1 byte, so that I can able to fit in this one, right? Yeah. In similar way, if I, what is this variable? Variable of which type, guys?
Double.
Double, right? So what here it is 8 byte, right?
Yeah.
So what I have to do, I have to reduce into 8 bytes into 1 byte, right? So if I typecast this to byte, so byte of var. Byte of var means what it will do is it will convert 8 bytes into 1 byte of data, and we will store that byte data into, we will store this double data in the byte. So what I'm doing is, guys, is this operation is compiler automatically doing? Are we doing explicitly anything here?
We are doing explicitly.
We are explicitly typing this byte followed by brackets explicitly. That's why it is called explicit casting. We were manually typing. That's why it is called explicit casting. So now we will check whether we were able to get output or not, or any errors. Java C hello dot Java, no errors. Whether we will get output or not. Java hello 45 and 45.0. Guys, what value we are storing in this A?
Byte value.
Byte value. So that's why there is no precision. 45 only. As we are printing variable, variable is double data type 45.0. 45.0. Got it? 45 and 45.0. Because we were explicitly typecasting here to byte data type. So byte is a normal integer data type without decimal point. That's why this point will be left, only 45 will be printed. So by this, today class is over, guys. If you have any doubt, please mention. Anil?
Hello.
Anil, any doubt?
No, bro.
Typecasting?
No.
No. Okay. Guys, if
Actually,
you, yeah.
yeah. Actually, when we are doing this typecasting explicitly, there
Okay.
will be a loss of data or
Yeah.
not.
Yeah. That's that data will be lost actually. Yes.
Yeah. That's what I was
Yeah.
having.
The main disadvantage of this explicit casting is we will lose the data actually. We will lose the precision. But if you are performing any implicit typecasting means there is advantage of no loss of precision. But if you're performing explicit casting means if you're having explicit like 45.5, if you're converting that into lower beta byte means if you only get 45, that 0.5 will be you lost. Correct, right? Hello?
Yeah.
Yeah. Anil? Yeah, I have one question for you now. Hello?
Bro.
Anil, I have a double A is equal to 45.5. Okay.
Okay.
Now I am typecasting byte B is equals to byte of A. What is the output I am going to get? Now see, here I have 45.5. I am
Okay.
doing this one. Now what is the value I am going to get for A and what is the value I am going to get for var?
45,
Okay.
45.5.
Are you sure?
Yeah.
Why? We are losing zero point 0.5 value right here.
Yeah.
Why?
In English, in explicit, we can lose the value.
Yeah, that is correct. See, 45 and 45 band. This is the disadvantage of explicit casting because we will lose this zero point 0.5 precision value. Whereas in implicit conversion, we will lose any conversion, any data. That is the advantage of implicit conversion. This is the disadvantage of explicit conversion. Got it?
Yeah, bro.
Yeah. Guys,